All right, we're now to the stage where we're going to want to start enrolling our students in the courses. So there are two ways to go about doing this. Typically, our first view we see is the stream view. But to start enrolling students in either of the methods, we're going to have to click on the Students. So now I can do this in the Invite section. This is one method for inviting students. I can either go through all of my contacts and click them one by one and click Invite Students. This will send an email to them and they'll be able to enroll via that email. If I'm somebody, though, who uses my Google Groups contact list that I've set up perhaps of my students or of my colleagues, I can access that by clicking on My Contacts, and my Google Group contact list will show up there. So if you're somebody who does this for your students, this would be a really handy way of going about and doing this. I'm going to select the coordinator team, and then I can either select individuals or select all of them and click Invite Students. The other method that is pretty handy and will maybe be a little bit faster is to simply have the students enroll with an enroll code. So here you can see that there is an enroll code that's available in Google. This enroll code is something that the students can then use to enroll in your courses. So let's switch over to a student view. Here I'm enrolled as a student, and you'll notice it looks very similar as to when you enroll as a teacher. We're going to go back to that plus button as a student and click Join Class. Then all I need to do is have the students place that enroll code into the course and click Join. And within a few moments, they'll be enrolled in the class. So now it tells me that I am enrolled in the class. We'll switch back over to the teacher view. So here you're seeing I'm in the teacher view. And I can see my first student has enrolled in the class here. And so now I've got my students enrolled. As you can see up here, my teacher has accepted the invite, and we're off and running with the students that we need. In the event I need to come back later and invite just an individual student or teacher, I can always come back to the Students tab and invite from here. And remember, if I'd like to add a teacher, I can do that from the About tab. And on the lower left-hand side, I can invite other teachers to join as well. So that's how we enroll students into our Google Classroom courses.